Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the Snuza Hero so it's ready to monitor. First, charge until the LED is solid green because a full battery prevents false alerts. Next, you attach the clip to the diaper edge, centered on the abdomen about 1-2 centimeters below the rib cage. This position detects abdominal movement best. Once done, power it on with a firm press and wait for the steady blink and chirp. These confirm the unit initialized and is ready to pair. You now pair and verify placement so the sensor reads reliably. Begin pairing with your monitor or check the LED. A steady blink means ready, rapid flash signals an error you must reset. Make sure the clip sits flat against fabric and not twisted. This lets the probe detect up and down abdominal motion. Also ensure clothing isn't tight over the sensor so breathing isn't restricted. To confirm, gently tap the abdomen and watch for movement feedback within 5 to 10 seconds. You finish by customizing sensitivity and knowing a key troubleshooting step. Start with the manufacturer's default sensitivity because it balances detection versus false alarms. Only increase sensitivity if you observe missed breaths, or lower it if false alarms occur. If errors persist, replace the clip or battery and clean the probe, drying thoroughly before reuse to avoid corrosion. If an alarm triggers, immediately check the clip position and assess breathing manually. If you remain uncertain about the infant's condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.